Birds fly across the sky, heading to their nests. As the sun begins to set, they all seem in a rush. Colors change within the heavens, shadows veil the earth. A cool and gentle rustle echoes in the ears. Salt water and the air, essential for our breath. Life moves on its journey, held by the sun's grace. Every single heartbeat depends on life-giving air. Nature and the soul walking hand in hand. Sweat upon the forehead hasn't reached the cheeks. Diligent hands are working the wonders in the fields. The farmers are the ones growing grain in earth's lap. In every grain of soil lies their honest sweat. Don't break the bond we share with the world around. Let's live in harmony on this sacred ground. Soil, water, and the air, essential for our breath. Journey, held by the sun's grace. Let's stay in friendship with nature forevermore. Always in friendship